Hello everyone, welcome to my video tutorial. Materials are needed. These are scissor, internet cable, cutter, crimping tool, and lastly, tester. Step 1. Use the wire stripper to remove about 1.5 inches of the outer jacket to length using the wire cutter. Arrange the wires in the correct order for a standard internet crossover: green, white, green, orange, white, blue, white, orange, and brown, white, brown. Step 3. Cut the wires using the crimping tools. Step 4. Hold the RJ45 connector, insert the wires. Step number 5. And then, after insert the wires, crimp the wire using the crimping tool. Step number 6. After both ends are crimped, use a network cable twister to check for continuous